Hello everybody, and today I'm going to show you how to mod Skyrim. I'm going to go through every little step that there is, and I'm going to show you things that hopefully will help in the long run and help things that I haven't seen in other people's videos. So today we're going to start with the tools, and then I'm going to show you how to actually get the mods downloaded. This should only take a little bit, and it's not too difficult. You just need to know what you're doing, and I'm going to show you and explain a few things. First thing we're going to need, which will be in the link in the description, SKS, the current build 1.7.3. It won't matter what current build it is. It should just be the same installation. Just click installer, start that up. Yes. Okay. And now we're going to go to browse, and we go to this PC, local disk, programs 86, Steam, common app, Steam apps, common, and then you're going to click on Skyrim and make sure it's highlighted in blue and then click OK. Now go to next, install, close, and that is, now we have SKS, see, it's right here. And that will basically, it's just a script extender. I don't know a whole lot about it, but I know that you need it for pretty much everything. So the second thing that we're going to need to do is first, we're going to have to go on to Nexus Mods community. This is where you're going to get all the mods that you need. And first you got to make an account, so we're going to go ahead and, I already have one, so I'm going to go ahead and log in. You're going to need to create one. Alright, so now that we've created an account, we're going to go ahead and download Nexus Mod Manager so that it will organize our mods that we download. It makes it a lot easier. I'm going to go for this one if you have Vista, Windows 7, 8, or 10. This is nothing, I don't think. Yeah, you can just exit that out, so just open that up. Click yes, okay, next, accept, next. This is all good, I've already checked it. Next, finish. Alright, so that, now you're good on that. So now we're going to go ahead and it's going to bring up this, and you're just going to click a little check mark on Skyrim. If you have any of these other games, you can also put them on there and start modding them. I might have another video on a few of these other ones. So we're going to do stop searching. Okay. Go ahead and I would recommend don't click this because it'll make it a lot easier if you're going to add another game. Click OK. Okay. Make sure that this is exactly like it is for me. Like make sure that there's no like differences in them, and you can just type it out. You don't have to click this. You can just type it right here. Make sure all that's good. Click finish. Also, if you start up Nexus Mod Manager and it says you don't have permission or it gives you an error, and the same thing for SKS, just run it as administrator, but I don't have to because I've had the issue happen before, but it's not going to happen this time. Alright, so now that we have Nexus Mod Manager, go ahead and click this and log in. You have to type in your username and password. Alright, put that in. Log in. Alright. So the second thing we're going to want to do is you're going to want to go ahead and put these little mod menu things up. They're nice to have up, I think. Go ahead and pull that up, and then go ahead, just do what I'm doing, and there you go. This will show what you're downloading. This will show what you're activating. I'll show you that in just a bit. The second thing we're going to need, and this is a thing that you actually do need. It's not, a recommended or whatever. So we're going to type in SkyUI. And most mods require SkyUI, and it makes it a lot easier. It's just like similar to Nexus Mod Manager, but on Skyrim. So we're going to download that. And wait, let me go ahead and show you. This is download manually. This will go ahead. All you have to do is just click download manually, and it's going to put it on here. I'm going to show you that in a second. But I do want to say one thing. Always check the installation. See, you can't just download this mod just because you have Nexus Mod Manager. So you need SKS, which is right there. See, we have SKS, so always read the installation, always. It will definitely help you in the long run. So we're going to go ahead and click download, and then continue with my download, and then it should say continue with my download, and then launch. Alright, so we're going to minimize that. We're going to pull this up, and now it's downloading right here. Didn't take long at all. And you'll see this little green one, or how many other mods you download. You can see a little green plus. That means that the newest mod that you just downloaded is right here in this file, which is right here. Open that up with the little plus, click on it, and then click check mark. And that is going to activate it into your Skyrim. So pretty much you have downloaded your first mod, but this is something that you're going to need to download. It's not optional really. This is something you need. We're going to go ahead and launch Skyrim SKSE. And remember, if it does give you any errors or say you don't have permission, just remember to run as administrator. So load that. Yes. You won't, that thing shouldn't pop up for you if you haven't modded before, but because I have modded before, it's going to say things aren't like they used to be or whatever, basically. Alright, so now we're here. And so you're probably wondering, well, did the mod work? Well, yeah, it did. You're going to click right here and you'll see mod configuration, and there you go. The mod is working. SkyUI is right here. You can configure it, and basically SkyUI just holds all the mod settings, so you can change the settings of certain mods if you want to add more health to like an NPC or something. So you can go, and it actually changes your UI a little bit. If I go to items, you'll see that the UI is different. You can look at a video or a review on YouTube if you want to know more about SkyUI, but that's basically it. You pretty much need SkyUI. Now I'm actually going to download a mod, and I know I just want to show you that it is indeed working. We're going to download Sofia. She's a follower. Click here, click download again, same thing. Now remember, I already know what the installation is, but remember, always check the installation. It's right, where's that? It is right here, but all it says is just use mod manager. And this is called Nexus Mod Manager right here. You'll see right there. So if it says Nexus Mod Manager, you know what that is. So like I said, always check to make sure that the installation is correct and that you've done everything, and check that it's compatible. They'll usually have compatibility things on here. I don't think this one really has any compatibility issues, so you won't have to worry about that. But now that we've actually downloaded her, you'll look on here and you'll see Sofia the Funny, Filly voice acted, complete. So she has been downloaded. And remember, this is where all the mods are going to go. And see, you can see the little green thing. That's the newest mod, Sofia. We're going to go ahead and click check on her, and we have downloaded her now. So now it's activating into our Skyrim. If you go into SKSE again, and we're gonna go and we're gonna find her. She's right where I am because I went ahead and walked there. And so it might take a few seconds because she's got to run up to us because I've had her before. So go, yes, continue. All right, so now we just gotta find her. She should walk up. All right, so now that we're in game, we need to find Sofia. And right here you can see Sofia has been downloaded, and you can configure different things with Sofia. I'm using SkyUI right now. This is what SkyUI does. So you're going to go here, Sofia settings, and you can change different things. We're not going to change anything. I just wanted to show you that's how the mod menu works. You're going to go to quests, and then miscellaneous, and you should see Sofia tracking marker, and there she is right there. So this is Sofia, the follower. I can prove that she definitely is a mod.
Which song?
They can't sing to you, so you just check right here. So she's singing. Now there's one more thing I do want to show you before I end this video. That is that installation guides. Some people think you can just download a mod, which you cannot do. I'm going to show you a mod that requires several steps other than just downloading the mod. So you have to go here. You don't have to download this mod. I'm just going to show you it. So you'll see right here it says installation notes. You got step 1, step 2, step 3, and all these have different things. And then it says if you don't have any of these mods, boss, SM, ENB boost, SkyUI, which we have, SKSD, and unofficial patches, then the mod's not going to work correctly. He also says in the installation you must start a new game. And that is something that you need to do to actually get this mod to work. But if you didn't read the mod and you just download it, you could actually mess your Skyrim up. So make sure that you read mods, like the installation, and make sure you read the compatibility issues. So if something said it doesn't work with this mod and you download it with this mod, then it won't work. So make sure that you check. I don't think there is any